Hello retro motorcycle enthusiasts. A big rumor is circulating about one of the world's most popular modern classic motorcycles, the Kawasaki Z900Rs. All eyes are now on the Japan Mobility Show 2025, which will begin on October 31st. Kawasaki has announced it will participate under the theme Tradition and Innovation, and most intriguingly, they promise to introduce two world premiere models whose details remain under wraps. Amidst the lineup of confirmed models, such as the Ninja 1100 SXSE and W800, a big question arises. Could one of these world premiere mysteries be the long-awaited 2026 Z900Rs? This speculation arose due to several highly suspicious clues. The Z900Rs is Kawasaki's best-selling and most popular model, even ranking first in large motorcycle sales for years. Yet, this iconic motorcycle was surprisingly not included in the list of models confirmed to be exhibited at the show. This oddity is reinforced by images of Kawasaki's booth that have been shared. When the images are examined, a row of retro-style naked bikes is clearly visible. The combination of the Z900Rs's absence from the official list and the presence of mysterious retro bikes in the photo points to one strong theory: the Z900Rs. From the leaked silhouette, it appears that Kawasaki's modern classic will receive a serious update, from a redesigned exhaust system inspired by the legendary Z1 and Z2, to modern technologies such as throttle-by-wire, traction control, and a full-color TFT screen. Technical reasons further reinforce rumors of a new model launch. The base Z900 model itself is already scheduled to receive significant updates for the 2025 model year, including compliance with the latest 5 Euro plus emissions regulations. Since the Z900Rs is based on the Z900 platform, it is highly unlikely that the retro-styled motorcycle will be retained without receiving similar engine and electronic upgrades. With definite technical updates, Kawasaki seems fully prepared to face stiff competition, especially from close rivals such as Honda, which has just announced its latest CB1000F. Although it is unclear whether the iconic Z900Rs's extraordinary retro design will be drastically changed, we can expect full integration of new features and significant performance improvements. So, let's wait for the official announcement at the Japan Mobility Show 2025.